Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So I have with me my Trendmood box. So this is volume 24 that we are up to. Now I tell you guys every single time, I love the Trendmood boxes. To me, this is an excellent way to try different products that are out there on the market, new products as well, at an affordable price point. So that is what each of these boxes are, is you're gonna have a bunch of different brands inside of the boxes. Typically, they're all going to be full-size products as well, but then you can try these products out, see what you think of them, and you can get it at a fraction of the price by means of these boxes. Now, I feel like the best way to know about the boxes and to have the most up-to-date information is by following them on Instagram. So I am going to be posting their Instagram link down below. That way, if you guys want to click on it and follow them, you can. And they additionally will post up any discount codes available as well for that box. So that is how I heard about this one, is through the Instagram page. They did announce that they were going to have 2 codes available for this box. One code was going to be a discount code, and I think it took like 5% off of your order if you use that one. And then the other code would give you a free bonus product inside of your box. However, that was while supplies last. So I used that code to get the extra product, but I have no idea if I got it. These sell out so quickly that truthfully, by the time I put the code in, they may have run out of those products. So I don't know yet if it's in here or not. We're gonna find out today. We're gonna do a full unboxing. But if you guys want to be notified for when volume 25 drops, I've got their Instagram handle down below, and that way you guys can stay up to date on it. So this box cost me $42 to purchase. There was free shipping, and I did have some sales tax to pay, so I think it was like $45 when all was said and done. And then inside of the box, it is full of all of these different products and brands. I mean, look at everything in there. I mean, $42 for all of this is a steal, you guys. I just went into Sephora the other day and I couldn't believe how expensive everything has gotten for beauty lately. Like, I mean, one product for foundation is $48 now. Like, it's just crazy to me that one item can cost as much as this entire box. So first item in this box today is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is from E.l.f. Cosmetics. And this is the Divine Skies palette. It's inspired by nostalgic romantic tones. It is an elegant spectrum of shades ranging from soft tangerines and berry hues to warm browns and shimmery finishes. So this is a brand that I am familiar with. However, I've never tried their eyeshadow palettes out before. I've always tried, like, they've got liquid blushes and highlighters, and I've used those, but I've never tried out a palette. So this is what your packaging will look like. It actually kind of reminds me of a compact. It's the same size as, like, you know, like your powder compacts. Now you will have a mirror inside of here, and then it's going to have all of your different shadows down below. These are cute, right? So honestly, I love these berry tones on the bottom. You could do an entire eyeshadow look with just these 3. That would be super pretty, but definitely you could layer these with the shimmers. This is really pretty. I'm excited to try this. I really like those berry tones a lot, and it wasn't what I was expecting. When I looked at the packaging compared to the shadows, this is a totally different vibe. So honestly, I think this is great. It was a pleasant surprise. Next item in here is from Pacifica, and this is their Future Youth Serum. So this is a full-size product, and it is full of peptides inside of this. It's also going to be plant-based, so it is vegan. This is supposed to help to improve your skin's barrier and the appearance and firmness of your skin as well. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. It's this cute little glass jar. I do think the serum is really pretty. It's a little bit milky, but like I said, it is a full-size product here as well. So this box is actually made from 80% sugarcane upcycled fibers, it says. That's kind of cool too, so I love that. So vegan, cruelty-free, and it's even PETA approved. I got it! This is the free bonus item, so it is in my box. So this is the Professional Primer. I'm so excited. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics. This has been around for years now. I can't even remember when this launched, but like it's been around for quite a while. This primer, I feel like, was an OG for a lot of people too, because it's very tacky, so it grips your makeup really well, and it also fills in any pores that you might have. So it's a really great face primer of making everything smooth, but keeping it all in place throughout the day. So this is 0.75 ounces or 22 mil of product. It 100% works. I've not used this in a while, to be honest with you guys, but I used to use it all the time. But I just haven't had it in any boxes in such a long time that now I use what I receive in my boxes. So this is exciting that I get to try this out again. But yes, 100% recommend. Definitely go check that one out if you guys have not tried it yet. Next up, we have from Bondi Boost. This is their Heat Protectant Spray. Full-size product. It is PETA approved and vegan. This is a hair product that will be a heat protectant, and it's also a lightweight spray that's infused with aloe. So it's safe up to 450 degrees. You'll put this on typically damp hair. Let me double check on that real quick here. It says it does help with split ends as well. Yes, you want to put it onto damp hair, dry your hair then, and then you can use whatever heat you're going to use after that. So if you're going to use a curling iron or a flat iron, this will help to protect your hair from any heat damage. Now we have a lot of things in here from ABH, and I'm really surprised. So for starters, we have their Brow Freeze Gel. This is a shaping gel that you can put onto your brows and put them in any shape that you want, and it will hold them in place. So this is just a clear formula, but this is what it will look like out of the box. Full-size product here, which is amazing. I mean, seriously, I feel like this was pretty generous to have it in the box. But in addition to that, we have two more products from ABH as well. We have their Lip Velvet Texture Mousse, and it came in 2 shades. So these are the 2 shades that we have here. And they're both full-size products as well. So I think they're good neutral shades that they're gonna work for everyone. So of course we're gonna open this up and take a peek at it. Here's our first one. This is that peachy nude shade. I like the packaging on here, right? Like the shape is kind of cool. So we'll do a swatch of this. I'm not gonna swatch the brow gel because it's clear and you guys wouldn't be able to see it anyways, but it is a really nice gel. I have used it in the past for a few things. This is a matte lip, and it is ultra matte, you guys. Like, there is zero shine with this product at all. I do think it's a gorgeous color, but it is one of the most matte shades I have ever seen of all of the matte lipsticks out there. I mean, this one is like so matte. I can't stress it enough. It is just an ultra matte lip. Now, the next one that we have here is Parchment. This is a little bit of a deeper shade, but I still feel like it's got some gorgeous undertones in it. So we'll do a swatch of this one, and we'll go right above this here. Now, again, ultra matte, but it is a creamy formula. It's very soft when you put it down. So it's called Lip Velvet for a reason. It goes down very gently. I do think they are a gorgeous matte shade. I like both of them, honestly. They're just... I have never seen anything so matte before like these. But see, that's why I love that they're in here, because now I can try them out and I don't have to go to Sephora and like break the bank by buying both of them. Next item that we have in the box is from Winky Lux, and this is their Cheeky Rose product. So it is a liquid blush. The shade that we have is Queen. So first off, I'm going to show you guys the packaging because Winky Lux has really beautiful packaging on all of their products. I've never been disappointed by it. So here's your shade up at the top along with the name, and look at that gorgeous rose that's going to be on your bottle. Is that not cute? And I love how they make the packaging like cut out around it as well. I just feel like those are those extra steps that mean a lot. Like I don't know, I'm drawn to it. And when I see it on the shelves, I'm like, yeah, that's the one that I want to try, all because you did a little extra work with your packaging. So this is what it looks like here. And again, with liquid blushes, typically you're not going to do a full swatch like what I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to give you a swatch to show the pigment, but don't draw this on your face. It will be way too much pigment for your face. So you're gonna have a little applicator inside that's kind of like a sponge. And typically you're just gonna put dots on and then blend those out. You can use a brush, a sponge, whatever it is. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw it across. That way you guys can see that full pigment. So I do think it's a gorgeous pink color that we have here. I like that it looks good even with cool toned skin. So that's what I am, is cool toned, but I feel like this will look good with even warm toned skin. Like, it's actually the perfect blush for everyone because it's got a little bit of both hues underneath of that, but I think it's good and it goes great with these lips. This was coordinated very well. So I like that. I think the blush has a lot of great pigment in there. There's actually a little bit of shine even with it. I mean, there's more shine with the blush than there is with those lipsticks. Now in the box, they do have a card that shows you all of the different shades that are available. So if you wanted to try out these other shades, they actually have a coupon code on the back here. That way you can go online and purchase those other shades and save 25% off. Last item inside of our Trendmood box is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their Glossy Lip Stain, and the shade that we have is Spicy Sienna. So I have a feeling this is going to be a very bright red color, is my guess. Now this is a cruelty-free brand again, and it is a full-size product here. So we'll pull this out. This is what it looks like. And then here's your e.l.f. logo. And I think this shade is gonna match everything else that we've already tried today. So we'll go right across the top. Oh my gosh, it is spicy. I can confirm, you guys. So this is our glossy lip right up there. It's definitely a bold color. Now, personally, I do feel like it goes down a little bit streaky. So I feel like you're going to probably have to go over that a few times to really even out that coat, just because of the formula that it has. Now, it is a really nice glossy lip. It's not sticky at all. I didn't feel like it was like tugging or pulling, but it definitely goes down a bit streaky. You can kind of see those lines in there. You know, I have no idea if they plan these boxes out to match like this, but this is a really great color combination. So that is everything inside of my Trendmood box for volume 24. Comment down below and let me know if you guys were able to get one of these boxes or not. This box does ship worldwide, so everyone can get it. It's just they sell out so fast that you have to order them as soon as they launch. I mean, I set an alarm every time it comes around. I'm like, that is how quick I have to be on this. But this is 100% worth it. I love that you can try out so many different brands, so many different products for only $42. I mean, that is a steal of a price tag for all of these brands. So if it comes back, I will definitely let you guys know because it is worth it to pick up one of these boxes. There's a lot going on in here. Now, I doubt you'll be able to get the Professional Primer just because, like I said, this was a while supplies last thing. So I don't think that'll be available anymore. But if they bring back the box with all these other products, it's still a great deal. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!